Whenever I get something new, I always wear the sugar out of it. Call it excitement for a new piece, or maybe it's just an experimental thing to really get to know a piece and try it out. So I wore these baggy shorts for a week, and I have to say, I was quite surprised at what I learned. First thing I learned, which surprised me, is that they are very flattering. I think I've always felt like shorts in general just aren't very flattering because they cut you off at a weird spot. And I think especially when it came to a longer sort of Bermuda-style short, they've never worked for me in the past. So I think I had kind of written them off. However, I should have known because I am a big fan of boyfriend jeans. Just the sort of drapiness off the hips, giving that shadowing between the leg and the material. It just definitely has like some sort of slimming effect, but I don't know. Ultimately for me, I just felt like as soon as I put these on, they were just super flattering. So I think when you feel good in something, when something's flattering to you, it's easy to kind of go from there, isn't it? Yeah. The other thing that surprised me is how comfortable these shorts are. I think one of the reasons I've disliked shorts in the past is because they are just so uncomfortable. I guess I can't blame shorts completely. I guess it's the shorts that I was choosing, which are like tight fitting, shorter shorts. So they're always like cutting into your inner thigh, into your leg, having that like sausage effect, which is not comfortable nor very appealing to onlookers. So I was happily surprised that I could lounge it up in these and that I could easily wear these every single day throughout my life, throughout my daily life. But as well as that, I need a moment to just curl up on the couch and cry. No, did I say cry? I meant cuddle, or, you know, watch something or just have a moment to myself. And yeah, I don't want to have to feel like I need to change to feel comfy and cozy. I think when I feel comfortable in my clothes, I then feel more confident. So even if it is something that's outside of my comfort zone, then at least I'm comfortable physically. And I think if you're comfortable physically, it allows to go outside of the comfort zone a lot more. If that makes sense? In a stylistic way. Yeah. But I think what shocked me more than anything was that all of my shoes went with these. In the past, I think that's been my trickiest thing with shorts, is what shoes to wear with them. And it always ends up being, you know, sandals, or for some magical reason, all of my shoes work with baggy Bermuda shorts. Call it a proportion thing. Even my black boots. My black ankle boots, my beloved Chelsea boots, can work with these shorts if need be. And that's the sort of thing that becomes a staple in my wardrobe, because then I know I can put that piece on and any shoe I choose at the door, because that's where I keep all my shoes, it's gonna work. And I'm not gonna all of a sudden be stuck as I'm trying to leave with this outfit that's just not working with any shoes, and then I have to go change and all that shenanigans. So, a long way of saying, I think these could be a staple for this summer. So I think the thing that surprised me, but also made me the happiest, is how effortless these shorts are to style. And I think that boils down to their casual, boyish charm. They have such a definitive style about them that it allows for you to really play with that when it comes to contrast. And you know, this girl loves a bit of contrast. So for me, it gives me that solid one end of the spectrum. And when you're speaking to a girl who loves balancing casual and sophisticated or masculine and feminine, therefore it doesn't just fit into my wardrobe, it accents my wardrobe, it elevates my wardrobe, and it ultimately goes with everything that I own. So I think with that, we can conclude that these shorts are going to be a staple piece, not only for this summer, but for a good long while. All right, my friends, shoes ready for the week.